Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to allow or disable specific app access to the VR Helper service on your Android smartphone. So whether it's a Samsung Galaxy or Google Pixel phone, doesn't really matter. And this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do on your home screen is just swipe up and then select the settings button. You want to now go under settings and select the apps button on this page and go down under general, scroll down and select special app access. And now scroll down again underneath where it says VR helper services, select that. And then any services or apps that would need or use this service, you would just select it and then toggle it to the right if you want it to be enabled or toggle it to the left if you want it disabled. And that's all you would have to do. So pretty straightforward process, guys, on that. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.